Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about tame animals, or in Somali, hayawaanka dab-jooga. Camel is geel, while cattle are lo. A goat or sheep is ari or adi. Specifically, a goat is ri, while a sheep is ido. A donkey is damer. Let's hold it there. Somalis are pastoralists, meaning they keep livestock. These livestock are called holo. That's why the term holo can be used to mean wealth. Somali pastoralists classify their animals in terms of male, called lab, female, called detig, and young ones may be called alan, but I'm not sure. Male camel is rati, while a female camel is hal. A young male camel is qurba, while a young female camel is nirig. A male cattle is dibi, while a female cattle is sa, and a young one of a cattle is whale. A male goat is orgi, while a female goat is ri, and a young one of a goat is wahar. A male sheep is wan, while a female sheep is lah, and a young one of a sheep is nail. Male chicken is tiq or digag. Female chicken is doro or digagat. A male donkey is moon. Speaking of moon, there's a joke where a Somali sheikh came to Kenya where people speak Swahili, and he kept hearing the phrase, Haki ya Mungu. When he asked the meaning, he was told it means I swear to God. He asked which part of this statement is God, and he was told Mungu. He said, Ilahayo animun kumadehe, which basically means, oh God, I will not call you moon, or a male donkey in this case. Going back to our list, a horse is faras, while chicken is digag or doro. A duck is bolo bolo. And though Somali don't keep a dog is a. A cat is nganyur or bisad or mukulal. Where there is a cat, there is always a rat, and a rat or a mouse is jir. Somalis don't keep a pig, but a pig is dofar. And finally we have a mule, which is basically an offspring of a donkey and a horse, and it's called bakal. Once again, thanks for watching my video, and see you next time.